Space junk, Earth's unrecyclable, growing nuisance. Hey everyone, do you have any idea how much space junk is floating around our planet? It's more than you can imagine. Since the launch of Sputnik by the Soviet Union in 1957, humanity has been relentlessly launching rockets into space. As a result, countless pieces of debris, from defunct satellites and rocket fragments to even astronauts' lost gloves or screws, are orbiting Earth at tremendous speeds. The scale of the problem. It's estimated that there are over 100 million pieces of space junk, larger than 1 centimeter, currently orbiting Earth. Even a tiny speck of paint or a single screw, moving at over 28,000 kilometers per hour, possesses more destructive power than a small bullet. It's like needles faster than bullets are encircling our planet. These fragments densely fill Earth's orbit, posing a serious threat to active satellites and the International Space Station (ISS). The ISS, in fact, frequently changes its orbit to avoid collisions with small pieces of space debris. Why is this a hot issue? A warning of catastrophe: the Kessler syndrome. If one piece of space junk collides with another, that collision can create a cascade of countless new fragments. These fragments, in turn, can trigger a chain reaction of further collisions, known as the Kessler syndrome. Sounds terrifying, doesn't it? If this happens, low Earth orbit could become completely engulfed in debris, potentially preventing humanity from ever venturing into space again. It's a warning that something out of a sci-fi movie could become a reality. Explosive growth of the space industry. The advent of the mega constellation era, with companies like SpaceX launching tens of thousands of satellites for Starlink, is making the space junk problem even more critical. More satellites simply mean more potential debris. Similarity to environmental issues. The issue of space junk is fundamentally similar to Earth's environmental pollution. Reckless development and neglect are burdening future generations with immense problems. So, how do we solve it? Currently, various countries and companies are proposing ingenious ideas to tackle space junk. Harpoons. Research is underway to fire giant harpoons to capture debris. Nets. Sweeping up debris with massive nets is another concept. Lasers. There are even studies on using powerful lasers from the ground to push debris into the atmosphere to burn up. Recycling robots. Some initiatives aim to capture space junk and recycle it for fuel or other purposes. The problem of space junk is not merely a scientific or technological challenge. It's a collective responsibility for humanity. A truly global, or rather, cosmic task. Isn't it both fascinating and deeply concerning that the trash we've created is now threatening the vastness of space itself?